welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we are going to do a leg strengthening session. You don't need absolutely anything. Let's get to it. Beginning in a high crescent lunge with your left leg forward. Make sure you're on your back tippy toes. Inhale, sweep your legs high to the sky. Engage the core, tuck your belly button in. Exhale, baby back bend, squeeze your glutes. Find that lift through the chest. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, charging crescent lunge, sweeping the arms forward and back, holding, squeezing a big beach ball behind you. Inhale, reach up, flipping onto the top of your right foot. Begin to tap your knee down to the earth and then lift for 3, 2, and 1. Let's keep going. Deep breath in. Exhale, reach your arms forward. Find a warrior 3. Lift your back foot off of the earth. Keeping your chest lifted, maybe hands come to heart center to help with balance. Exhale, Kundalini squat, knee behind knee. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, Kundalini. Only one more. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, Kundalini. Warrior 3 to your standing splits, folding over your front leg. Deep breath in, exhale, fold a bit deeper. Set your back leg down, runner's lunge. Crawl your hands to the opposite foot. Bend your right knee deeply. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Engaging the core. Exhale, baby back bend. Bend your elbows. Reach up. Reach your arms forward, take that charging crescent lunge on this side. Flipping onto the top of your left foot. Tap your knee down to the earth and then lift it back up. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. You're almost through. Keep pressing down, driving your right hip back. Keep breathing. Exhale, warrior 3, lift your back leg off of the earth. Hands to heart center. Exhale, Kundalini. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, Kundalini. Last one, inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, Kundalini to your standing splits. Lift that left leg high. Flex your left toes towards your face. Step your left foot forward, and we are through. Thank you so much. This was Flow with Sky. I'll catch you next week. Bye.